Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Salesforce Marketing Cloud for LinkedIn Outreach, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by accessing the Salesforce Marketing Cloud website. Click on the Sign Up button to create a new account. Fill out your personal and business information in the registration form. Verify your email address by checking your inbox for a confirmation email. Once verified, log into your new Salesforce Marketing Cloud account. Navigate to the App Exchange section within the dashboard. In the search bar, type LinkedIn Outreach and hit Enter. Browse through the available applications and select the one that fits your needs. Click on the Get It Now button to start the installation process. Follow the prompts to add the application to your Salesforce Marketing Cloud instance. After installation, configure the settings by entering your LinkedIn credentials. Set up your outreach parameters, including target audience and messaging options. Integrate any necessary third-party tools, such as CRM systems or email services. Test the integration by sending a sample outreach message. Monitor the performance of your outreach campaigns through the Analytics dashboard. Make necessary adjustments based on the analytics data to improve effectiveness. Stay updated with any new features or changes from Salesforce Marketing Cloud. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.